Good morning, students. We continue our exercise 4B. Last class रे question number 1 निकला. Question number 2 bit question देखो true false. निजे तमे करियो. You can ask जोटा हबनी तन मते question पचारि करियो. Okay. Question number 3 रो first bit we have completed. Then question second bit. What it says here, if a symmetric matrix is expressed as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric, okay, then prove that one of the matrices in the sum is a zero matrix. Either gote symmetric matrix or gote skew symmetric matrix को नब ताको एक्सप्रेस करिवो symmetric and skew symmetric मो लास्ट क्लास रे कहली हमें करथिले क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 रो किछि तो इन दैट केस ताले हमको कोन करियो पड़ियो गोटे मैट्रिक्स 0 लेट A is a symmetric matrix. Okay, so A is a symmetric matrix, therefore A is equal to A transpose. Now I will express A को sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix से express कर देंगे. That is half A plus A transpose half A minus A transpose. The last class I have told you. So it becomes A is equal to half. Suppose you have A is equal to 80 because symmetric matrix 80 plus 80 half 80 minus 80. So these are cancel होगा. So A is equal to half to A transpose plus 0 which is equal to plus 0. Therefore one of the matrix according to the here this is your one matrix which is a symmetric. Now here it is skew symmetric. Therefore skew symmetric matrix is 0. One thing you should remember, एटा हमरा symmetric काहे नहीं हमें जेहेतु एटा symmetric नहीं है सेति पे एटे skew symmetric का हमरा 0 है. Okay, so by you can prove the other one by this way, that is by taking skew symmetric, that will be A is equal to minus of A transpose, then you will have this one. Okay, write down. Okay, आ गोटे तमे निजे निजे A is equal to minus of A transpose नहीं जीवो तो एमपी पकेले एटा 0 आसी जीवो एटे 280 आसीबो तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन प्रूव इट. अरे दीटा जो पार्ट अछि हमरो हेई परिबे. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रे जी से हमको दीटा बिट देछि. सो से दीटा बिट रो हमरो देखिबा हमें. So first of all गोटे A B are square matrices of the same order, then prove that A B and A B are all symmetric, then A B minus B A. First, for general given that A B and A B are of same order. तीनटा देखो मैट्रिक्स गोटे ऑर्डर रे अछि, राइट. सो देन कहिछि प्रूव करिया को जे एंड सिमेट्रिक. ओके, देन प्रूव दैट AB minus BA is equal to 0. Okay, AB minus BA is equal to 0. You have to prove it. Okay, so since it is symmetric, okay, since it is symmetric, so A is equal to AT according to question. B is equal to BT, say given according to question. Then AB also symmetric बोली कोई चीज, AB transpose is equal to AB transpose again according to question. Okay. Now what about AB transpose? As we know, AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. हमें previous chapter में इटा पढ़ी थी. Okay. B transpose into A transpose. AB is equal to, अच्छा B transpose जगह में कौन पके पहली? B. A transpose जगह कौन पके पहली? A. So then इटा को यानी क्या? AB minus BA is equal to 0. Okay, proved. Write down this one. Okay. Okay. Then our second टा कोई थी, जे तीनटा देखो A, B and AB are skew symmetric. Then prove that AB plus BA is equal to 0. Okay. We'll do that. Okay. Right. Now for the second one, you have A, B and AB are matrices of same order and skew symmetric. Okay, this is important. A, B and AB, a तीनटा देखो हमारा skew symmetric matrix. So automatically A is equal to minus of A transpose according to given in the question. B is equal to minus of B transpose according to question, and AB is equal to minus of AB transpose given, because skew symmetric रो definition हला गोटे मैट्रिक्स रो तेरो नेगेटिव रो ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. ऑलरेडी हमें डेफिनेशन जानी छे. सो एजी आगु हमें प्रॉपर्टी जानी छे. AB ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू B ट्रांसपोज A ट्रांसपोज. AB is equal to B transpose जगह रे what can I put? Minus of B. A transpose जगह रे minus of A. AB is equal to minus minus plus BA. Then bring this side. AB plus BA is equal to 0. Okay. Write down. Okay. चैप्टर नंबर हेगला कंप्लीटेड. हमें ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 होरी साइड से मु फर्स्ट क्लास रे क्वेश्चन नंबर और सेकंड क्लास तो जो चैप्टर रो सेकरे हमें होरी साइड से we are following exercise 4b. Okay, now we go for another important things, that is your inverse of a matrix by elementary row or column operation. Okay, so completed. Now here you can have a elementary operation. You can have row operation or column operation, right? Transformation of matrices. Transformation of matrices. Okay, you can do either by row operation or column operation. Either one, either row operation or column operation. हमें रो कॉलम ऑपरेशन कहले हमें जे कोनोसी रो को रो हमें इंटरचेंज करि परिबा, कॉलम कॉलम इंटरचेंज करि परिबा, गोटे रो आ गोटे रो सहित मल्टीप्लाई करि करी एज ए माने हमें अप्लाई करले हमरो मैट्रिक्स रो वैल्यू ता एज इट इज रहबो. सो गोटे हमें रो बदला आ गोटे रो ऐड करि करी रो पई रो ही हे परिबो, कॉलम पई कॉलम ही हमरो ऐड हे परिबो. ओके, so that's why it is called as row or column elementary operation. Okay, so this is all about your transformation of matrix. A matrix cannot be transformed into another by changing definition. A matrix can be transformed into another by changing its rows. Its rows or columns. Though through some elementary operations. Some elementary operations. You can say transformation of matrices. Elementary operation through it हमें change करी परिबा. So हमें again one thing you should remember, जिते बेले हमें चाहिबा किछि हमें change कर दी परिबा. Example देखो, suppose you have a matrix like this 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. एटा गोटे मैट्रिक्स अछि. ए मैट्रिक्स रो हमें जदी चाहिबा C1 and C3 interchange कर बेटा. This is your column 1, this is your column 3. Then there will be no change. मु कोन करबी 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 0. By this way I can change the matrix. If I want to change these two, I can also change. Suppose I want to change C2 with respect to C3, then also I can change 1 0 0, then 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is an identity matrix. So according हमें रो को किबा कॉलम को चाहिबा जदी हमें चेंज करि परिया, और हमें जदी चाहिबा किछि ऐड किबा सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करि परिया. So that's why it is known as elementary operation. Okay, so हमें एटा गोटे यूनिट मैट्रिक्स भी करि परिया. Write on this one, this example. Either one thing you should remember, either you apply row or you apply column operation. Don't do both. Dita देखो करनी, either row करो or column करो. Okay. Now I am just giving one example by using the operation row हो कि बा column हो, हमको unit matrix रे change करियो पड़े. Example देखो. Transform into unit matrix by elementary operation. One thing you should remember, it is row column mention की चाहिए न थी बा, तो कमरो नियम अनुसार whether you want to row, you want to do column, सीटा तुम्हें निजे निजे decide करो. A is equal to given as 6 3 2 2. Okay, so आपको unit matrix करियो पड़ियो. What is the unit matrix? is the raw term. Unit matrix of second order is जो 1 0 0 1. एमती हमको आपको सजाया को पड़ियो. So to do so, what you have to do? हमको कौन करियो को पड़ियो. First of all इधर 1 करियो पड़ियो. এটা को 1 करियो पड़ियो, এটা को 0, এটা को 0 करियो पड़ियो. Okay, so what to do? हमें गोटे काम करिबा. एटार ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट्स. रो 1 divided by 3 replace it for row 1. रो 2 को 2 रे डिवाइड करिया, replace it for row. हमको एटा बनेबार अछि. Remember, so what it becomes, it is 6 by 3, that is 2, 3 by 3 1. एटा रो 2 को 2 रे डिवाइड अछि 1 1. Okay, now एटा ला 2 1 1 1. एडी हम 1 दरकार. So मु कोन करबी, रो 1 minus रो 2 for रो 1. एथु एटा फेडबी. 2 ରୁ 1 गले 1, 1 ରୁ 1 गले 0 1 1. So I am getting 1 0 1 1. मते एटा भी 0 दरकार. So to get this one 0, what I have to do, r2 ରୁ r1 टा माइनस करबी for r2. Remember, एटा जा लिखा होची that is 4. So what I am getting, देखो रो 1 टा जंक्शन भी रहला 1 0. एथु एटा फेडबी 1 ରୁ 1 गले 0 1 minus 0 1. So एटा हमरा यूनिट मैट्रिक्स है गला 6 3 2 2. ताको हमें by elementary operation रे 1 to a, these are called as elementary operation. Normally I will do row operation. मु तुमको भी एडवाइस करबी, try to do row operation. देखो आसी गला यूनिट मैट्रिक्स. Okay, write down this one. Now I go another example which is the third order. Okay, write down this one. Right, completed. Now here now transform into the unit matrix. A into unit matrix by elementary operation. Okay, so A is equal to, it will be third order 1 2 0. again गुडा 0 अछि and 0 1 0 0 0 3. तो हमको आगे ट्रांसफर करे पड़िबो हमरो यूनिट मैट्रिक्स का हला 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 एटा हमको आइडिया करे पड़िबो हमको एटे 1 अछि एटे 0 करे पड़िबो एटे 1 अछि एटे 0 बस दिस टू हम जदी कर दवा ताले आराम रे हम हे पाई सो एटा इजी अछि तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एटा को 1 एटा को हमें 0 करियो हाउ कैन वी मेक इट 0 लिसन एटे 2 अछि एटे 1 अछि सो r1 minus 2 into r2 for r1 remember one thing एटे फर्स्ट रे जोटा लिखिबो ता पई ही रिप्लेस करिवो r1 minus 2 r2 for r1 so what we are getting हमें एटा को 2 गुणिले 2 into 0 0 1 minus 0 1 2 1 जा 2 minus 2 0 0 minus 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 3 this is your step 1 then it is 3 अछि हमको 1 दरकार बहुत सिंपल r3 divided by 3 for r3 पाएंगे हमें डिवाइड केवल r3 ही रिप्लेस हो बाकी कौन से भी हमको रिप्लेस करने की आवश्यकता नहीं 0 1 0 0 0 3 by 3 that is equal to 1 this is our identity of order 3 okay write down this one okay okay completed now inverse of a matrix हमें ये जो एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को अप्लाई करी मतलब मैट्रिक्स रो हमें इनवर्स बाहर करिया ओके inverse of a matrix if A and B are two matrices of the same order two matrices of the same order such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. I is the identity matrix. Okay. I is the unit matrix of same order. Unit matrix of same order as A or B, then B is called the multiplicative inverse of A or simply inverse of A when it is denoted by A inverse. Okay. A you can say, or you can say A is the inverse of B. Okay. Now you should remember there are two matrices A and B. Theta matrix अछि ताकू जदि हमें मल्टीप्लाई सेम ऑर्डर रिमेंबर AB is equal to BA आस्थुबो एंड ताकू गुणिला बेल को मल्टीप्लाई मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमें ऑलरेडी सीधी चलजे इज इक्वल टू जदि I हे वाला ताहले हमरे एठी गोटे आरटार इनवर्स हो. If B is the inverse of A inverse is equal to B. If A is the inverse of B, then B inverse A is equal to A. So one thing you should remember, a matrix whose inverse exists, a matrix whose inverse exists and A inverse is equal to I is called an invertible matrix. An invertible matrix. Okay. So जार inverse exist हबो से भलिया मैट्रिक्स टा को हमें invertible कहबा. Otherwise if it is not inverse does not exist, then we say not invertible. If inverse does not exist, we say not invertible. Okay, जो मैट्रिक्स रो इनवर्स आसीबो से मैट्रिक्स रो हमें इनवर्टिबल कहबा. जार आसीबोनी ताको हमें इनवर्स नॉट इनवर्टिबल कहबा. ओके, written, have you written all these things? I am giving one example. Okay, now here suppose you have a matrix A is equal to 2 1 5 3 and B is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 5 2. Okay, whether B is the inverse of A or A is the inverse of A, actually हमको एठी इनवर्स बाहर करिया को पड़िबो. We do हमें इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स बाहर करबा. दुईटा मेथड हमर हबो. One of the method, this is your transformation method. Then again by knowing your determinate value in the next topic, हमें next chapter रे अलगा गोटे मेथड बाहर करिया. दुईटा मेथड रे बाहर करि परिया to get inverse. जदि मेथड मेंशन अछि हमें से मेथड ही करिया पड़ियो. अदरवाइज जदि मेथड में किछि मेंशन नहीं, यू कैन फाइंड द इनवर्स एज यू विश. ओके, नाउ एटा आरो इनवर्स जदि हेतिबो बा ये आरो जदि इनवर्स हेतिबो बा दीटा जाको इनवर्टिबल हेतिबे ताहले दीटा मल्टीप्लाई करले हमको आई मिलिबो. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल मल्टीप्लाई a b. ab is equal to 2 1 5 3 into 3 1 minus 5 2. Okay, now multiply this one into this one. 2 3s are 6 minus 5 1 into minus 5, then 5 3s are 15 minus 15, then 2 ones are 2 plus 3 minus 1. Sorry, question is change. So 2 minus 1 minus 2, 2 ones are 2 minus 5 plus 6. So it becomes 1 0 0 1, which is your identity matrix of second order. So AB is equal to I, hence A inverse is equal to B. A inverse कहले हमरा 3 minus 1 minus 5 2, where A is equal to this one 2 1 5 3. Our inverse डाला 8 and you can say also B inverse is equal to A. R B inverse कहले एटा ही परियो and both B A and B are invertible. Okay, write down both A and B are invertible. Got it? I am giving another example where you do not have inverse. Suppose A is equal to 1 2 2 4. So एठी आरो inverse exist हबनी. Our shortcut method को there is another method you can have, but our determinant value यदि बाहर करियो 4 1 जा 4 minus 2 into 2 मु explain करी एटा next topic रे अछि, that is your 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, when determinant value of a matrix becomes 0, then inverse does not exist. Okay, that is A is not invertible. तुमको big question आसीथिबो whether गोटे matrix रो invertible or not invertible. In that case you can verify this one. तार जदि determinant value का 0 हे गला, then it is not invertible. जदि 0 होला, then you can have inverse. ताने हमें inverse का बाहर कर दवा, and by using that you can say this is your inverse of the matrix. Okay, so then one thing you should remember, inverse of a matrix you should take as a note. Okay, right? Got it? Two things I will give you. Inverse of a matrix, if it exists, is unique. If it exists, then it is unique. That means only one inverse for one matrix. A inverse is equal to I. How taro extra ba alaga inverse which does not exist. Okay, and the second thing is your AB रो मल्टीप्लाई करके जदि इनवर्स बाहर करिबा, AB टा को मल्टीप्लाई करके जदि इनवर्स बाहर करिबा, then it will be B inverse A inverse such that A and B are invertible matrices, such that A and B are invertible matrices of same order. ओके, जदि ए बी सेम ऑर्डर हेतिबे, ए बी आर इनवर्टिबल हेतिबो, ताले ए बी रो इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स होतिबो. ओके, आकु हमें एलिमेंटरी ऑपरेशन को नहीं की हमें इनवर्स बाहर करबा. अगेन आई विल टेल यू देयर आर टू डिफरेंट मेथड्स फॉर फाइंडिंग इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. दिस इज वन, दिस इज योर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मेथड. A matrix method, matrix exercise अछि. In the determinant exercise, in the next exercise, you will have another method to find the inverse of a matrix. सेटा जति बेले कहबी एटा एबे आबळे आबो. ओके, so this is all about your matrices. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें एलिमेंटरी ऑपरेशन करिकरी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इनवर्स बाहर करि बलिया. ओके, so apply your elementary operation. Okay, now write down this one. Then thank you. Have a nice day.